Honorable Excellencies, distinguished guests, respected colleagues, and members in the audience. I'm Meghna Badami, RASIT's Youth Representative to the UN and a member of the Girls in Science for SDGs International Platform. The relationship between women and water is one that is extremely unique as well as delicate. Traditionally, in most societies, women bear the responsibility of nourishing their families and providing them with water for their daily needs. We've all heard the story of how women spend hours and walk kilometers to get that one bucket of precious water. What we don't realize, however, is how she has least access to it because she will first ensure that each and every member of her family has met their needs for the day, leaving her with almost no share of the already scarce resource. This affects her life in more ways than we can imagine. In fact, it causes a chain reaction of sorts, affecting not only her health, hygiene, and nourishment, but that of her entire family. Women do realize the importance of that single bucket of water and the consequences of those hours lost and those kilometers walked. But they don't always have much of a choice. It's high time that we turn this compulsion into convenience. I strongly believe that the best solutions come from those who are most affected by the problem. Although this problem seems single-faceted superficially, it's extremely complex when explored further. Socio-cultural and political aspects affecting the issue vary vastly in each society. Traditions and harmful myths about water and its utilization can prove to be the toughest evils to overcome, since they've been passed on through generations. When an issue is affected by uncountable factors, only someone at the center can best comprehend it and implement tangible remedies. That is why we need to involve local women in the decision-making process. The best way we can do this is via education and awareness. When we give them the resources and opportunities to explore and innovate, we bestow in them the power to change the course of their own and in turn the livelihoods of their entire societies. In addition, we have women working in laboratories and institutes devising scientific solutions. Their novelty and vision is just as vital, as scientific methods ensure the most efficient and cost-effective utilization of resources. Another point that we need to remember is the imbalance of power and gender-based discrepancies within women in fields working towards the water nexus. Overcoming such barriers will create a working environment that augments their productivity and also boosts their enthusiasm. We need to spark a collaboration between both of these groups of women, whose passions are equally unmatched. All water solutions stem from science. All scientific solutions must be embraced in policy, and all policy must be inclusive. Ensuring that local women get a say in the decision-making procedures diversifies opinions at the table, allowing us to make a place for communities that are often left behind. When we talk about achieving the water nexus, we're looking at different spheres of life that water affects, which is quite frankly everything. Similarly, we ought to involve women from all spheres, backgrounds, cultures, and professions to form a nexus of women leaders. Thank you.